Let's jump in. Here are the top 5 Lenovo laptops for 2025. First up, the legendary ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. This is the business laptop ultralight, ultra-durable, and refined over a decade. The carbon fiber chassis is featherweight but tough with that classic matte black finish. The keyboard? Still the best in the business deep travel, perfect feedback, and the iconic red track point. The trackpad is smooth and responsive with satisfying clicks. Under the hood, you get up to Intel Core i7, built for productivity. Think endless Chrome tabs, office and video calls. Integrated Iris Xe graphics mean it's not for gaming but for work. It's a multitasking champ. The OLED display option is a standout 2.8K resolution, vibrant colors, and inky blacks. Thin bezels, a webcam with a privacy shutter, an enterprise-grade security fingerprint reader, IR camera, ThinkShield features. Port selection is generous: 2 Thunderbolt 4, 2 USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. No dongle life here. Battery life easily covers a full workday, and rapid charge gets you back up fast. It's not cheap, but you're paying for reliability, security, and a tool that won't let you down. Who's it for? The professional who needs a lightweight, powerful, and dependable laptop.